The next example from 4.4 day 2 has to do with vertical and horizontal shifts. So up, down, left, right. We're going to be in this one here, we're going to be just looking at left and right. So we've got here the forms of the equations from yesterday. You might remember that from the transformations we were talking about yesterday. But here, we're just going to do, this is just going to be vertical translation. Excuse me, not vertical translations. This one is going to be horizontal shifts. That's also sometimes called a phase shift. So if you see that language in the book, just know that that means the same thing as left and right. So here's our original sine of x. What I like to do here sometimes is just to label the starting point. It's at 0, 0. Now, if I do x minus pi over 2, what we know about transformations is that what makes this 0 is the direction it moves. So that means that this is going to be right by pi over 2. So if this were my home base to start with, it would have ended up right here. That would have been the center, and that's how we get that new graph. Over here, same concept, but left. So this one's left pi over 2. So that means that home base ended up right there, and that's how you can identify those shifts, those horizontal shifts there. A lot of times it's not going to be labeled, and some graphs are going to look the same as other graphs, even if they have different transformations, and that's just kind of the nature of the sine and cosine graphs.